Illustrator lets you apply two kinds of glows to your objects, inner and outer. Let's start with the inner glow. You can apply it to your object from the Stylize menu, of course. Most probably you're going to see the screen mode set as default when you apply the effect. The reason behind it is that this mode shows everything that is white or light and hides everything that is black. It's the total opposite of the multiply mode we set for the drop shadow effect. Now, if you want the glow to be different than white, you can just click on the color box and choose a different color. Below that, you can adjust the opacity of the effect and its blur. The center option makes the glow emanate from the center points of the objects. The edge option makes the glow emanate from the inner edges of the objects. Of course, the more blur you apply, the stronger the effect is going to get. So that's inner glow. What about the outer glow? The outer glow is pretty straightforward. You can add it again from the Stylize menu. And as you can see, there is not a lot of options here. They are limited to blending mode, color, opacity, and blur. But there is one little trick you can use with the outer glow to make your objects pop a little bit more. If you're presenting especially logos against a darker background, you can make things a bit livelier by increasing the blur value. If you make the blur big enough, it will eventually dissolve behind the object, detaching it from the dark background and making the composition more appealing. The glows are the last raster effects you can set from the Stylize menu. Now let's move on to the vector ones, starting with the rounded corners effect.